Hi guys, how can you place a logo on a glass bottle in Photoshop? First, go to File, Place Embedded and insert the logo image. Drag and position the logo onto the bottle. Press Enter to confirm. Next, turn off the logo layer for a moment and select the bottle image layer. Choose the lasso tool or quick selection tool and make a selection around the bottle label area. After the selection is complete, press Ctrl+J to create a separate copy of that selected area. Now drag this copied layer above the logo layer. Turn the logo layer back on. Select layer 1, go to Image, then Adjustment, then select Desaturate. Select Blending option Soft Light. Then right-click the logo layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Now select Logo Layer. Open Blending option. Go to this layer right slider, hold Alt, move the slider around 230 until the logo blends naturally with the bottle highlights and shadows. Now press Ctrl+T to resize and perfectly adjust the logo onto the bottle surface. Lower the logo layer opacity to around 88 to 89% for a more natural glass effect. Select layer 1 and set opacity for it on 89. Now select logo layer set, its bleeding mode to color burn. And that's it. This is how you can place a realistic logo on a glass bottle in Photoshop.